So what are the health benefits for your child in learning how to play the drums? First of all, you gain muscle control, hand-eye coordination. Now the muscle control, you're training intricate muscles within your hands and your fingers, your feet, your posture, in keeping balance, all while playing drum beats. With multiple limbs, you have a whole system that you're training within your limbs, and your brain is dividing this system to different limbs. Now, believe it or not, there's been studies that have said that it helps people that have attention deficit disorders. Now, I have adult ADD, and I'll be the first to tell you that yes, it's been very helpful for me in problem solving. And not only that, it's a very physical instrument, so it's so good for your muscle groups, and it really keeps you uplifted. It's almost like jogging. When you're playing the drums, it's like jogging because you're keeping your cardiovascular system moving along, the muscles are moving along, and you're feeling great. And the drums are just downright fun, you know? I mean, you ever sit in class and just beat on your desk? Well, I did all the time. And, you know, to this day, I still do that, except I play the drums for a living.